boy, the Grandmaster, coming back to hit you with another video. And then this is episode 3 on 20 ways to run a successful membership site. And remember, I'm giving you 5 tips in each site on each of these videos. So let's get into these 5 tips in this video. Utilize drip content. You can set up your membership site with the email responder. This will make your website more passive endeavor for you. Using an autoresponder is going to help you get your emails and get people to sign up for your site. Remember, emails is your money. When you have the emails, you can use those emails to sell products to your members for the rest of your life. Emails are the key to making money. Tip number 12, add a blog. You can keep your website fresh and active by adding a blog. The possibilities for content is endless. You can get content for your blog everywhere. Keep your site fresh. Keep people wanting to come back to your site by adding a blog and keeping people engaged to coming back to your site. Tip number 13, add an image gallery. If you are not much of a writer, you can add an image gallery to your site instead. This will keep your site fresh while showing off your unique personality. Tip number 14, incorporate an event calendar. Keep your site active and engaging with an event calendar. Your members will keep coming back to see what's going on, and they'll want to keep coming back and see what's coming up on your event calendar. This is a way to keep your members engaged with your site. Tip number 15, add testimonies. While testimonies aren't for everyone, if you have some handy, why not put them on your site? Make sure that you ask your members for their permission first. It's your boy, the Grandmaster, and I'm going to see you in our next video.